Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech24. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Spigen tempered glass screen protector, designed for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you want to keep your brand new device in pristine condition, then this is the screen protector for you. With an innovative auto-alignment installation kit, applying the protector to your front screen has never been easier. Not only does it offer 9H hardness for maximum durability, but it also features an oleophobic coating to resist fingerprints and smudges. The extreme clarity preserves the original screen's brightness, so you won't lose any visual quality. Plus, it's designed to be case compatible with every Spigen Galaxy Z Fold 5 case. So, if you want to protect your investment and keep your Galaxy Z Fold 5 looking as good as new, be sure to check out the Spigen tempered glass screen protector. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech24 for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.